I'm going to show you how to assemble your ravioli. Here we have dumpling wrappers, and they definitely the ones that are circular. I'm going to take my butternut squash filling. I'm going to use a melon ball's worth of filling. Put it into the middle of the wrapper. Take water and just run it along the edges. Add another wrapper to the top, and here is where you're going to have to make sure that you squeeze as much of the air out from the ravioli. So gently press the edges and you will feel some air pockets, and just squeeze those air pockets out towards the edges, and then what you'll have is a solid ravioli there with no air pockets.